Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Joining me today for a little project share. We have been watching a lot of Cornflower Crafts Gnome doll series. She's been showing different little themes, and today we watched one where she was making a Valentine's gnome. So Emmy and I are inspired and are hoping we can make one today. So Corn, thank you for the inspiration. One of the other things that Corn suggested for the shoes were these adorable baby shower favor shoes. We will see if we can use that. I got this yarn from Daiso. We have our wooden beads possibly for the nose, and then an empty ribbon spool here that we'll be using inside of the sock. So we'll show you what we have in several clips here, and then at the end we'll show you a complete project share of our completed gnome. Here are the materials we're going to be using to make our gnome. This is the cardboard from a trim spool, so we'll use that at the base. And for the weight, we will be using some sand. And here are the shoes that we'll be using. So wish us luck. Here we go. So here is the base of our body using the sand. We are using a sandwich bag so that the sand doesn't leak out of the socks because there are little holes. So maybe if you don't want that, you should use some pebbles and other material. But the shape is good. It's looking really nice. So we are going to proceed to make the rest of her body. Alright guys, we have completed our first gnome. We had shown you the materials we were going to be using. And this is inspired by Corn from Cornflower Crafts. She is the expert when it comes to making gnomes. So little disclaimer, this is our first try for me and Emmy, and hopefully you like it. So I'm going to leave it up to Emma to introduce our new gnome.
Without further ado, meet our new gnome, Barbara!
Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh. So I will show some different clips of Barbara and we'll let you know what pieces we use to create her. Now let's give Barbara a little spin for her hat. We used one of the sleeves from Emma's old sweater. Just wanted to show you that her bottom side's pretty heavy, so we couldn't use the baby shower shoes, so we'll use it for another gnome. And since the hat was a little plain in color, we wanted to brighten it up with these beautiful flowers that my dear friend Terry had given me, and beautiful waffle heart from my sweet pen pal Sandra, and the resin bows are from Rebecca Creates. Her hat is super soft and comfy, and Emma did a great job creating the braids and embellishing it with these Daiso bows. She also gave her little bangs, if you can see it peeking through the hat. For her arms, we used an old plaid pink shirt, and for the hand itself, we used some of her old gloves and decorated it with pink trim. And then for the nose, we used beige stockings stuffed with cotton ball, and Emmy picked these two trims. She wanted the hearts and the flowers. Hope you guys enjoyed this little project share. Join us again next time. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time.
Bye!